In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on the gray switcher next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can wait a couple of seconds, swipe up, or tap on this area at the top. If you wish to disable this feature completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!